There's drama. There's drama. Oh no, oh no. Hey, that duck is being mean. And here comes the babies. They're like, where's my mommy? What the heck? There's baby mama drama, something. She's like, the daddy duck's being mean to her. He's like, I told you not to bring this other dude around. What the heck is happening?
That isn't the dad.
Well, who's the dad? These poor babies don't have a dad. Oh my goodness.
Yes, they do.
What are they doing to that mom? The mom's the brown one right here. Y'all stop harassing her. Look at those little babies. They're like, mommy, mommy. What you do, girl? You need to get on Dr. Phil? What happened? They're like, we out of here, man.
The Illuminati attack.
Oh my gosh, they're just so cute. Look, she's like, I'm ready to fight. What is going on? These poor little babies. What about your babies? Look, the babies are going under. Wes, we're waiting on the babies to show up. They went under the bridge. Here they come. Here they come. They're like, mommy, where's our mommy? Look how fast they swim. Ollie, you see them, honey? And they're still messing with her. I wish I spoke duck. They're not leaving her alone. And they want their mom. Look. What do you think about the ducks? No? Yeah, their other ducks are kind of bullying her.
Mommy?
Yeah. The mommy. What's the mommy do? What's the mommy do? Yeah, and the mommy gives the milk. The mommy gives the milk. Where's the mommy get the milk? Where's the mommy? Mommy get the milk? The chiche?